can't find anything in this mess. Where's my wrench? My screwdriver? My pliers? Why is everything always buried?
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French Cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. The French Cleat Wrench Organizer is designed to bring efficiency and order to your workspace. Specifically built for quarter-inch French Cleat systems, it securely holds up to 5 wrenches, keeping them neatly arranged and always within arm's reach. Precision crafted from high-quality, 3D printed PLA material, this organizer combines lightweight durability with an eco-friendly design. Its vertical, space-saving layout makes the most of your wall space, freeing up valuable bench room and keeping your tools easily accessible. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.